So now it's time to talk about one of my favorite parts of this platform, and that's the project pages. So I'm on my home page right now, and if I scroll down here, you can see on the left-hand side quite a few of the projects I'm involved in at the moment or have been involved in the past. And at the very bottom here, there's a new project button. So we're going to start a new project, and now I have a number of different options. So I've gone ahead and called this example project. I can decide whether there's going to be a fixed timeline or no timeline of my project. The nice thing about the fixed timeline is once it's over, then the project is safe. Nobody can make any changes. I tend to leave mine on no timeline, but that's my own personal preference. You want to pick a category and write a project summary when you start your project. And the main reason for this is really that if your school is open to the global community, this is what other teachers from around the world will, well, the category is how other people will search and possibly find your project, and the summary is how they will learn about your project and decide whether or not they would like to consider joining you in the project. So we could pick a category, and you can see there's lots of different categories. We'll pick computers and the internet. And then we need to also write a quick project summary. So I've written a quick explanation of what this particular project is about, why it's being created. And now I have the option. I so far usually have had my projects closed, which means I will only invite, say, the members of grade 6 to join this project. However, if you're a member of the global community, you could leave it open and allow anybody on ThinkQuest to join your project. We will leave ours closed for now. And then continue down. We don't have to fill this out. Describe what you're looking for in an applicant unless you're looking for partners in the global community. And then what I will do is, if it's a 6th grade project, I will actually say that the youngest and oldest students who can participate are the 6th grade ones. And down at the bottom here, you've got some quite fine control over what your students are actually allowed to publish. So it says here, all students can create content, however, only published work will be visible to visitors. So if you want you to be the one in control of what other people in the global community can see on your project pages, you can click Students Can't Publish Content. That gives you the control. You can also decide whether or not students can edit or delete other students' content. So if you want to make sure if they're working collaboratively on a page, and you will want them to be able to edit each other's content. If you want the page to be safer for the students and for them to know their content's safe, you can click No. So then we click Create. And now I'm in my example project. And if I click on the top here, I can see my project settings, and I can see everything I have just written. I can see anything that's happened today, any events that are scheduled for the day. That would be in the calendar. And here is my calendar. And I can also see any new activity that's happened on this page. If I click on members, so far I'm the only member. But I can go ahead here and I can assign students. And use my just drop down menu here. If I click 6th grade, and I can just assign all the students in 6th grade to this project very quickly, and they will automatically see in their project page of their home page, this project will show up. I can also invite teachers, and not just within my school. If I'm open to the global community, I could also invite other teachers to come and join this project.